Good morning.
The sun is out.
Yeah, we had a wild monsoon come through last night. Downpour, lightning, and thunder. It's pretty fun inside a small trailer.
If you've never been in Arizona for a monsoon season, it's pretty spectacular.
Yeah, and it cools everything down, like you were about to say. Yeah, because it's been like mid-90s around here, so today I think it's like a high of 83, 85 or something, so it'll be much more manageable.
It's a weekday, so the camp pretty much cleared out, and it looks like no one's at the lake this early, so we're excited to get out there nice and early.
Yeah, now all we have to do is finish our coffees, load the boards up, and hit the water. I'm looking forward to it.
Let's go!
Let's go!
We are loving our aisle boards. They're super sturdy, hard to pump up, easy to put the fin on. But I didn't even think I'd be that good at paddleboarding, and I've quickly gotten better, I think. Yeah, having tried a few other inflatables, we really, really like these ones. They almost feel like a hard top to me. So peaceful.
It is.
Quiet, still. Morning time is where it's at.
We just recently learned that this is a reservoir for the nearby town, so there's no swimming. So I guess if you fall off your board, you have to get back on real quick. But then we've also seen like there's tons of turtles, fish, really cool birds everywhere. It's pretty amazing just to explore around and see what there is to see.
Finally happened. I got a little too confident and was climbing around on my knees trying to hand me the GoPro.
You just rolled in.
I just like rolled into the lake and made one of, I think, the loudest noise out here this morning with my splash.
Yeah.
But I am fully
Good thing it's not cold.
Fully lake drenched.
It's bound to happen. Now that Megan's soaking wet. It is actually starting to warm up a bit, so we are going to make our way back to the boat launch and go get the dogs.
Take a hot shower.
And Megan needs to take a shower to wash out this dirty lake water. That was awesome. This lake is incredible. Just the amount of boulders that surround it, and so quiet and peaceful this morning. There's nothing like it.
We'll probably spend another couple of nights here just to take advantage. We blew up the paddle boards, the lake's right here. Probably spend a few more days here before we head north because it is about to get hot again.
Look at that. That just looks good already. Not even cooked yet.
What do you think, Riley?
We gotta build up some nice coals.
We're just waiting until it dies down a little bit more because it is way too hot. But we just want a nice bed of coals to cook over. So we're just waiting until the perfect time to throw stuff on. Alright, first time cooking on the solo stove using our new little griddle, and it's working out great. Alright, not too shabby. Delicious plate of veggies and chicken sausage. Let's eat.
Time to eat. Everything was so good. Well, we didn't quite make sunset, but it's a full moon almost. And it's gorgeous. And I kind of want to paddle at night.
We are getting bombarded by mosquitoes all of a sudden. So we're gonna retreat back to the fire. Hopefully that'll keep them away. But it's a long way down, so I'm sure we'll get bit a few times.